This color is nice. It's really nice. Initially, I didn't know how I felt about it, but I put my face on. I transformed, and I'm like, bam, girl, you look good.
Yeah, that's right.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't spoke to y'all in so long, even though I did have a couple videos last week. Those videos was old. How y'all feeling? I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? That felt so weird to sing that. I haven't sung that song in a long time. So happy Monday. I'm happy to see y'all. Today we're talking about this new wig sent over by Outre. Thank you so much for sending over this wig. I know y'all want to hear how I feel, and you want to see this color. So I'm giving y'all this new color because it's a new color, it's a new wig, it's a lot of new stuff, and it's a new week. So I'm going to show y'all how I put this wig on. I'm going to tell y'all how I feel about her because y'all always want to know about the new stuff. Why y'all don't like the old wigs? Y'all want the new stuff. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle.
Well, hello there. So I'm done installing this wig and I'm smiling. I'm smiling because I haven't smiled like this in a long time. I'm not gonna get emotional on y'all, but happy Monday. I'm so happy to see y'all. And let's talk about this new. Didn't I tell y'all we got new on Mondays? Happy Monday! So today we are talking about a new synthetic wig sent over from Outre. Y'all want to know the tea? I wanted to know the tea. So let's go ahead and jump into this wig. We are talking about Miss Bexley. And I have the color that y'all want to know about. I have the color DRFF Buttered Toast. Oh my God, I just be cracking myself up. I have to. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. So let's go ahead and jump into some specs on this wig. So if you're familiar with Outre, they have different collections. I've told you guys this before. And y'all, this feels so weird filming. I haven't filmed in a long time. okay, let's do this. Let's do this. We doing it. Sorry. This is a 13 by 6 lace frontal. That means you're gonna get a lot of parting space in here. As you guys see, I came back with the side part. I did show y'all the middle part, but I think I'm feeling the side part a little better. You're gonna get a lot of parting space in here, meaning you can part this wig up to like about right here. There's some tracks starting right here, so you're only going to get 13 inches going across. So you're going to get pretty much the parting space going around in this circle right here. You can't part it going all the way down as far as the frontal goes because the tracks do start right here. Oh, I hate moving around my synthetic wigs. I just be trying to be all cute when I come back, because when you move them around, they get all tangly and stuff. You know, I be trying to come back all cute. I feel good because I haven't combed my hair in like 2 weeks, so I feel good because I put this wig on and I feel amazing. I just went in with my bedhead spray and I feel like my bedhead gives it a good secure hold. Use whatever spray you want. I also went in with a little bit of powder in the parting space because I don't use lace tint spray underneath my lace anymore, but going in with powder to match it after definitely is needed because this lace is white, so you have to match it. So I do have the color DRFF Buttered Toast. This is a newer color, and if y'all know me, I do like to try new colors. I like to try new colors because I want to let y'all know what the colors look like. And this color is nice. It's really nice. Initially, I didn't know how I felt about it, but I put my face on, I transformed, and I'm like, bam, girl, you look good.
Yo, that's right.
This color right here is a blend of a lot of pretty highlight blondes. If you are a blonde person, you're gonna like this color blend. Trust me when I say this. So Outre always nails it when it comes to colors. We know that. There's a lot of other pretty colors in here. You get some golden ambers, some reds, some ginger browns, some blah blah blah. That's pretty much what I like about synthetic wigs. You can experiment with colors even though it is synthetic, blah 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 blah. We like the fact that Outre is going to give us colors. We got color options. So I did watch another video before I filmed this. I cheated. Okay, I cheated. But if y'all need some color options, check out my girl, I Fancy Cupcakes. Hey, Brittany. She slayed that chocolate swirl color. And check out Wheezy wig reviews because they did a collab. So I was like, oh, I have to watch both of them, okay? So Wheezy gave us 3 colors. So y'all check them out. I'm going to leave links below. But let's go ahead and talk about this. So this is the Buttered Toast. I picked this color because if you guys have been following me, I do love the creamy blends with Outre. I like the creamy toffee, I like the creamy mocha, I like the creams, the blondes, oh, my lace is showing. Let's cover that up. I can't be having y'all see my lace showing. I'm supposed to be a slayer. So y'all, I'm telling y'all, I'm so scattered. I'm all over the place because I really haven't smiled like this in a while, but this wig got me together. I do like the creamy blends with Outre. I like the creamy toffee, the creamy mocha. And this one I feel like is a good blend of both of those colors. This is kind of giving me tiramisu mixed with creamy toffee. It has so much dimensions in this wig. You're definitely going to get your, I got a 613, I got amber, I got 4, I got every blonde in here. It's like they just put all the blondes in a pot and they threw it together, and I like it. It's a nice blend. So if you want to experiment with color, this is a good option. So let's go ahead and talk about how I feel about this wig, okay? Because I'm scattered. I'm all over the place. I told y'all I haven't filmed in a long time. The videos y'all been seeing dropping, you're gonna see drop for the rest of the week, are probably old videos, but this is the first time I've been behind the camera in a long time. So y'all work with me, okay? So how do I feel about this wig? It's a pretty wig. It is 28 inches. It's 28 inches of a synthetic wig. If you understand synthetic wigs, you're gonna know exactly what you're jumping into with this. The texture is on the silky side. For all my silky, sleek, straight people, this wig is for you. There's no yaki in here. It's not comparable to Katia. Katia had more yak in the wig, but this one I feel like they're giving us the silkier option of Katia. So if you like sleek, the warmer months are coming up, they gave us a silkier version. So it's not as thick, but it definitely is silky. With that said, of 28 inches, this is how it's looking. So it's 28 inches. So it's coming down to pretty much my belly button area. And then in the back, this is what it's looking like. So it's long. Am I tangling? I am tangling. Y'all know exactly what kind of wig this is. It's a synthetic wig. So what? Keyword, where you at? Oh, synthetic. Okay, we know what synthetic silky wigs do. They tangle, they shed. This one is kind of shedding a little bit more for me than I would like, but I think it's just because of how silky it is, and it's a little bit dry, but you can fix that with synthetic wigs. If you know synthetic wigs, go in with your products. Go in with a synthetic wig spray and go in with, my chair is squeaking. I need a new chair, y'all.
Perhaps you're right.
But going with some synthetic wig spray and going with some serum. I'm telling y'all, it's going to help you glide your fingers through it. Is it going to help it glide for the whole day? Absolutely not. It's a synthetic wig. It's going to tangle. It's going to act up. But I feel like once you go on with that, it does soften up the wig. I have been using this Ebony New York 5-second detangler spray for my synthetic wigs, and I do like it, but it's running out pretty fast. So I just ordered my one that I've been using for 2 years on this channel. If y'all been following me, this was the original synthetic wig spray that I've been using, and I really do like this one. It is awesome and I like it, so I just ordered some more, and I feel like it lasts a little bit longer than that one, so that's why I went back to it. But going with synthetic wig spray, going with serum, brush it out, and just know what you jumping into. I do like the parting space options on this wig. That's it. I think it's a classic kind of sleek look if this is what you're looking for. As far as the cap goes, it feels okay on my head, but my braids are pretty flat on this wig, y'all. Like, I have 10 straight backs going in my head, so it's flat. But compared to if I had a ponytail, I feel like it would be just right, but for me it is sitting okay. So yeah, I'm smiling because of just basically putting myself together. The wig definitely does have a few cons, but I like the way it looks. I like the look that it gives you, you know. That's what these wigs give you. They give you different kind of looks. They give you kind of different colors. One minute you could be straight, one minute you could be short, long, you know, and it brings you to life. So that's what I appreciate about synthetic wigs. Now, is this a wig I would go back for? You know what? It is a long synthetic wig, so I'm a little funny about straight synthetic sleek wigs. I do like the color on this wig. It's definitely going to give you the looks, and when it starts to get tangly, you guys can go in with your Revlon blow dryer and brush it out and use your products. Use your synthetic wig spray, but it is going to get tangly. It is going to shed, you know, that's what they do. This one is shedding a little bit more than I would like, but I think it just has to do with how sleek the wig is. It is reminding me of a few other wigs. It is not as bone straight as Darby, and I gotta look, I gotta see what videos I reviewed and stuff, you know. Outre Alina, it's reminding me of how sleek that one was, and going way back, let's see what else it remind me of. It's kind of giving me the texture of Outre Alina, but it's not giving me Sade. I just combined like 5 different wigs. I hope that helped. It is more on the silky side. It's not as textured as the recent Outre Lynette wig. That one had a little bit more texture, but it's not like Sade where it was so thick. This one, it's just a sleeky texture. Sleeky. I'm making up my own words. It's just a sleek synthetic wig. If this is what you want. If you want this color, you're paying for this color. You're paying for this sleekness. This is what you're paying for, the parting space. That's what you're paying for on this wig. As far as the price goes, this is in the $50 range, so anywhere from like $50 to $55, sometimes $60, depending on your site. And then as far as this hairline goes, I didn't go in and pluck anything, guys. I just smoothed everything back, but the hairline is actually okay. It's not too bad. You can go in and pluck it if you need to, but it's okay. It works. I did go in with my razor and kind of jag up the lace when I was cutting it because I feel like it was a little bit too rounded, but I feel like it's okay. It's not too bad on this color. I mean, if you get another color, it might be different, but this one is okay. It's okay. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I know I was all over the place with this review, but y'all work with me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this. Y'all definitely hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.